Have you ever looked up at the night sky, letting your eyes wander across the endless tapestry of stars, and felt a sense of comfort in their familiar patterns? We expect the universe to be constant, to see the same stars, planets, and galaxies shining back at us night after night as if the cosmos itself is a reliable companion. But on December 1st, 2025, that expectation was shattered in a way no one could have predicted. The James Webb Space Telescope, humanity's most advanced eye in the sky, was conducting a routine survey. Its target, Kepler 186f, a distant Earth-sized exoplanet that had long captured our imagination as a possible cradle for life. But when the telescope peered into the void, it found nothing. The planet, once a beacon in our search for life, had simply vanished, gone without a trace. Astronomers across the globe scrambled to check and recheck their instruments, hoping for an error, a glitch, anything to explain the impossible. But every observatory, every telescope, confirmed the same chilling result. Kepler 186f was gone. There was no gravitational signature, no evidence it had ever been there, no transit across its star, no shadow, no hint of its existence, just emptiness where a world should be. Scientists ran simulations, comparing every known cosmic disaster, supernovae, rogue planets, black holes. None could explain the clean, sudden absence. It was as if the planet had been erased from reality itself, leaving behind only a perfect, unbroken orbit. The disappearance was clean, precise, and deliberate. No debris, no warning, no natural explanation. Humanity was forced to confront a terrifying new idea: planetary abduction. The notion that a world could be stolen, not destroyed, was almost too much to comprehend. Someone, or something, possessed the technology to move an entire planet, to pluck it from the cosmos as easily as picking a flower, leaving no trace behind. The scale of this act broke our understanding of what was possible, forcing us to question everything we thought we knew about the universe. The silence from that corner of the cosmos was deafening, a statement of power, a warning, or perhaps an invitation to look deeper. For decades, we'd sent messages into the void, hoping for contact, dreaming of friendly neighbors among the stars. Now, contact had been made, but not as a greeting. It was a theft, a cosmic crime that left us reeling. The empty sky became a crime scene, a mystery that demanded answers we weren't sure we could find. In that moment, humanity realized its true place in the universe, not as masters, but as mere residents, vulnerable and exposed. We were not alone, nor were we in control. The universe had revealed a new player, one far beyond our comprehension. The universe had just reminded us how small, fragile, and unprepared we truly are in the face of its mysteries. Our cosmic neighborhood was far more dangerous and mysterious than we ever imagined, filled with secrets we had only begun to uncover. The rules had changed, and we were left searching for answers, piecing together clues from the darkness. The age of cosmic innocence was over, and a new era of uncertainty had begun. How do you move a planet? It's a question that sounds like pure fantasy, the kind of thing you'd expect from a sci-fi blockbuster or a wild conspiracy theory. But today, it's a reality we must seriously consider. The universe is full of surprises, and sometimes, the impossible becomes possible. A planet is a colossal sphere, locked in a star's gravity, following a path set by the laws of physics for billions of years. Moving it would require not just unimaginable energy, but also a level of precision and control that's almost beyond comprehension. Scientists have theorized the use of a ghost engine, a machine so advanced it manipulates the very fabric of space-time itself, bending the universe to its will. Drawing on mind-bending concepts like the Dyson sphere and Alcubierre drive, this engine could generate a gravitational wave, allowing the planet to ride a space-time current like a cosmic surfboard. The planet would remain intact, its atmosphere undisturbed, cocooned in a protective bubble of warped space-time, shielded from the chaos outside. The most chilling part? This technology is nearly undetectable, slipping past even our most advanced sensors. It draws power directly from the star, tapping into a source of energy so vast it's almost limitless, yet leaves no obvious energy signature for us to trace, and collapses the space-time bubble behind it, erasing nearly all evidence of its passage. From Earth, the planet simply vanishes. One moment it's there, familiar, steady, part of the cosmic order. The next it's gone, slipped into the cosmic dark, leaving only questions and a haunting silence behind. Whoever did this didn't just steal a planet, They demonstrated a mastery of physics that borders on the divine, rewriting what we thought was possible. The universe just got a lot more complicated, and the rules we thought we knew may no longer apply. And we're only beginning to understand the rules of this new cosmic game. Why Kepler 186f? Of thousands of exoplanets, this one was special. It was Earth's twin, Earth-sized in the habitable zone, and our top candidate for life. Its red dwarf star cast a perpetual sunset, and its mysteries fueled dreams and research worldwide. Its theft wasn't random. It was a message. The thieves chose the one world we valued most. Maybe it was a pristine biological preserve, or a ready-made home for a desperate civilization, or perhaps it already hosted life. The cosmos, it seems, is a ruthless real estate market, and Kepler 186f was the most coveted property. The heist was a masterpiece of cosmic engineering. It likely began years before the disappearance, with the silent arrival of the ghost engine, a swarm of devices disguised as cosmic debris. They assembled around the star, siphoning energy slowly, unnoticed. When ready, the engine focused its power, creating a space-time wave ahead of Kepler 186f's orbit. The planet detached, accelerating gently, avoiding catastrophe. The devices guided it into interstellar space, maintaining the space-time bubble. Once clear, the engine vanished, self-destructed, or cloaked. To us 500 years away, the planet's disappearance seemed instantaneous. The operation was swift, silent, and left no trace. The perfect cosmic crime. And we only saw the aftermath. Who could pull off such a heist? The suspects are the stuff of speculation. First, a Type 2 civilization, able to harness the power of an entire star. For them, moving a planet is ambitious but possible. Their motives: resource acquisition, cosmic gardening, or galactic conservation. Second, a rogue artificial intelligence, self-replicating, unimaginably advanced, and indifferent to our values. For such an AI, planets are resources or computational nodes. Third, the escapists, a civilization fleeing disaster using the ghost engine as a lifeboat. They're not villains but desperate refugees. Finally, the unknown entities beyond our comprehension, energy beings, higher dimensional life, or cosmic artists. For them, a planet might be art, an experiment, or a religious icon. The motives are as vast as the universe itself. The theft of Kepler 186f is our first evidence of actors whose intentions we may never understand. The universe just became a lot stranger, and we're left guessing who, or what, is out there. How do you investigate a crime that happened centuries ago, trillions of miles away? The answer lies not in fingerprints or eyewitnesses, but in the very fabric of the universe itself. Gravitational wave astronomy is our only hope. These ripples in spacetime, once thought impossible to detect, are now our most powerful clues. Sensitive detectors like LIGO and LISA search for faint ripples, a planet's wake in spacetime. They listen for the subtlest disturbances, hoping to catch the echo of a cosmic event long past. It's like hearing a footstep in a hurricane, but it's all we have. Every blip and anomaly is scrutinized, every pattern analyzed for meaning. A breakthrough came from old data, a faint periodic gravitational anomaly in the Kepler 186 system, dating back to 2018. It was buried in the noise, overlooked for years. Once dismissed as noise, it now matches the signature of a ghost engine charging up. Advanced AI and new algorithms revealed what human eyes missed. This is our smoking gun. The evidence is undeniable. A digital fingerprint left behind in the cosmos. It proves the theft was planned for years and gives us a direction. For the first time, we have a trail to follow, a cosmic breadcrumb path. Telescopes are now scanning the path indicated by the anomaly, searching for a rogue planet in the void. Every new scan brings us closer to the truth. Dr. Eris Thorne, head of exoplanetary forensics, says, "Space-time remembers." They left a trail. The hunt is on, and the world is watching. The universe has a memory, and we're following its clues. Each anomaly is a piece of the puzzle, guiding us through the darkness. What we find at the end of the trail could change everything. The answers may redefine what we know about the universe, and ourselves. Months of analysis led to a shocking discovery. By triangulating gravitational and light-blocking data, scientists found Kepler 186f's current position. It's not fleeing, it's heading toward us. In 800 years, Kepler 186f will enter our solar system. The motive isn't theft, but delivery. The leading theory: this is a gift, a seed world, sent by a civilization that sees our potential and our peril. Perhaps they're offering us a backup planet, a second chance. but it's also a display of power and control, a reminder that we're being watched and judged. Another theory, it's a Trojan horse, carrying its movers, who will arrive with their own world and centuries of preparation. Is this salvation or colonization? The answer will define our future. The countdown has begun, and humanity must decide how to respond. The revelation has shaken humanity to its core. Faith, philosophy, and politics are in turmoil. The Aegis Initiative, a unified global space program, has formed to prepare for Kepler 186f's arrival. Trillions are being invested in propulsion, sensors, and planetary defense. Ethical debates rage. Do we greet the newcomers or prepare for war? International law is scrambling to keep up. The concept of property and sovereignty is being rewritten. Scientists race to understand the ghost engine, hoping for breakthroughs, or fearing disaster. We're trying to master the tools of the gods, but risk unleashing forces we can't control. The stakes have never been higher. We live in a new world where planets can be stolen and delivered. The theft of Kepler 186f ended our cosmic innocence. In 800 years, a new world will arrive. Our greatest opportunity or our gravest threat. We have a deadline to unify, advance, and decide who we want to be. The technology that moved a planet is a double-edged sword, divine power, or ultimate hubris. Are we wise enough to wield it? The beings who moved Kepler 186f are far ahead, technologically and perhaps morally. The future is uncertain, but the countdown has begun. We stand on the shore of a cosmic ocean, a great wave approaching. Are we ready for what comes next?